Principality Stadium, formerly Millennium Stadium, opened in 1999 for the Rugby World Cup. It's located right in the heart of Cardiff city centre, and it's the home of the Welsh Rugby Union. We're an elite stadium, 75,000 seats. When fans come here, there's an expectation of the best spectator experience possible. High quality sound is a very large part of that, so we decided that we needed a new, state-of-the-art, modern sound system.
When the intention to further upgrade the audio system was announced, we were absolutely delighted to be invited to be part of the design and build process. Over a period of several years, intensive acoustic testing, design was progressed, and the contract for the supply of all the loudspeakers was awarded to NEXO.
We've worked with PAI and Vaughan Sound many times over the years. We know the quality of work that they produce is exceptional.
This is a coming together of so many technical disciplines, really.
It's a very good example of how positive and good can be the collaboration between NEXO and its partners, and in this specific case, this is a PAI and Vaughan Sound.
The challenge for us here at the stadium was upgrading the system with as little modification to the existing cable infrastructure as possible. We manufactured a prototype for the main frame arrays down at our headquarters in Llanelli, and then invited the WIU down to see the system in operation. Thanks to NEXO's design team, they had a solution in the GOS 12 arrays powered by the highly powered NX amps, which meant no modifications for the 18 main arrays. With some minor cable adjustments, we were able to incorporate 10 L18 sub-arrays and 4 pitch arrays. With a custom dolly, the arrays were pre-assembled and netted in the bus bays and then forked into the bowl for hoisting into position. These main arrays are then complemented by the rear P12s and P10s. The VIP balconies have ID24s, and there's lower balcony has P8s.
PAI has a great knowledge of sports arena installations, and it went really fast. I believe the entire installation was completed in less than 3 months.
Primarily, the system is for public address and voice evacuation, which has to be compliant and has to deliver sound pressure levels and, more importantly, intelligibility into every seat.
We were there at all steps, supporting them, and we were there at the end, because this is really the mission that is assigned to engineering support. It's not only about pre-sales, it's also following up during the installation.
The value the system brings to the Principality Stadium now is matching, meeting, and probably exceeding customer expectation and promoter expectation about the spectator experience that fans will have when they come here. We know that the system provides top quality sound to meet the standards of both concerts and the incredible atmosphere at rugby matches.
Principality Stadium in Cardiff is one of the top additions of Sports Arena reference for NEXO.
For us, it was down to the quality of the product, it was down to the cost and their international pedigree.
It performs beyond primary safety requirements and takes the sound presentation for every spectator seat to a new level in this wonderful stadium.